We welcome you, month we all adore. We pray for happiness.
Guys, today I'm going to show you how to make some strawberry jam, yeah? And I hope you guys are happy because, you know, the coronavirus, it is affecting so much people that 83,000 people have died, yeah? And guys, I hope you're happy about staying at home because you could make loads of tutorials, you could sketch, you could, you know, you could draw, you could make, you could you know, you could do gardening, yeah, for photo's sake, and stuff like that, yeah. And cooking, you could even cook, or you could sleep the whole entire time. Don't think it's boring, because if you think it's boring, you're just going to sit down, do nothing, and don't spend time with your family. I get so less time spending it with my family, because if I have to go to school, then 1 hour, I stay at home for lunch. I don't eat for 1 hour, I eat after 1 minute, yeah. And guys, then I have to go Islamic school, then I have to go back and eat dinner and then sleep, so that's so boring. But I'm happy I'm going when I go to school because I get to play. Now I am gonna make strawberry jam and I'm so excited because I love strawberry jam, yeah. And we ran out of strawberry jam sadly, yeah, and I wanted bread with strawberry jam. Why am I talking about strawberry jam too much? So guys, I'm going to tell you in the kitchen the ingredients, yeah. And if one is sugar, yeah, I'm gonna tell you something. So if you want your strawberry jam to be extra healthy, you don't use white sugar, use brown sugar because brown sugar is more healthy than white sugar. So let's go in the kitchen. So guys, for this you will need strawberries, closer look, lemon, and sugar. You could even use white sugar, but I'm using brown sugar because I want my strawberry jam to be healthier. If you want your blueberries, if you want, okay, I'll say this fast. If you want your strawberry jam to be good, you need frozen strawberries. They're cold. I'll show you one that's really frozen. Look at that. I'll show you too. That's so cold. Smell it. Guys, for this you will need a pot. Put the strawberries in. How much do you have? I'll tell you later. And heat them up. So guys, I'm going to wait. I'm going to tell how much time it takes because now I actually don't know. It might already be done. Maybe. I don't know. We don't know. So guys, it's begun like this. Yeah. Thank you. So guys, my mean mom is pouring the lemon juice in. It's hot. I'm going to do it up, guys. This might be dangerous for you guys. Oh, that looks epic, guys. Your strawberry jam is nearly done, guys. Guys, after 15 minutes, I am mixing. So this is how it will look. I can't wait to taste this. So guys, this is the pot and my mom is pouring it in. I'm holding it, but I don't need it. Oh boy. So guys, this is the strawberry jam. I can't wait to put it on bread. And basically, it's been a long time since I haven't done this. And the bread isn't even cooked, so, but I don't care. Because I'm so, a bit more. So guys, now I'm going to eat this. Let me fold it. It is so good. Guys, make this, taste it, eat it all day, and don't finish it until 1 week finish. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash the strawberry jam button and I'll see you next time. Goodbye!